Well, hello everybody. How are you? I am Lisa. I'm from the Yohos. I am coming at you from my office, my work area, my crafting area, my editing area, all of the areas. Mark's busy doing his thing in the basement. We've got some renovations that we are finally finishing. But in the meantime, while he's down there working, I needed to get my together. I needed to organize this space. It just gets overrun with junk. It's kind of the dumping ground for all of my fun things. But all of my fun things, a lot of them anyways, have homes behind me. I just needed to put it all away. I'll show you what I've done. I hope it gives you some inspiration to maybe clean up your own little area of your little workspace. Makes such a difference when you can find things that you're looking for or put something away so the next time you know where it is instead of squirreling it into a little area and not knowing where it is. Oh, I'm wearing my sweater, my thrifted sweater that I bought. It was a good little deal for $3. It's a little big, but it's cozy. So today, let me just show you this work area here. Not only was it chaotic, it was dusty. So of course I needed to clean everywhere and put all the things away. It was a chore. It was a chore. But you know what? Well worth it now that I can sit here comfortably on my nice chair. It's funny how things change. My work area has changed a lot over the past couple of years in this little area here. It totally accommodates a lot of my crafting supplies, things that I reach for a lot. Also is like a little cozy spot for me too. That's why I have all my plants. It just makes such a difference when things are organized. Oh, I have my chapstick because my lips are dry. Always lips are dry. Okay, I need to stop rambling. I need to show you what I've done, how it started, and what it looks like now. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so this is the current situation. This is for a project that's coming up here. So I just kept that. I'm about to load it in the vehicle. But I want to keep these plants here. Some of them are actually thriving. This one's doing really well. These ones, meh, compared to my mom's, yeah, it's hurting. My mom's is like massive. So anyways, I want to keep this here somewhere. I just don't know where yet. See this here? All full of junk. This needs to be cleaned up and gotten rid of. But this is a whole other story. It's all different. This is stuff from Christmas and jars that I need to refill. Anyways, all this is gotta get rid of. I want to revamp my space. So currently this is my desk. Yes, it's very messy, but don't judge. That's where I do all my crafting and all my editing and stuff like that. I like being on the main floor. So what I want to do is reconfigure this space. Ideally, I'd like to clear out everything, give the floor a good clean because I'm sure there's all kinds of crafty fun on the ground. Get rid of all of this stuff here. I've decided I wanted my desk brought back downstairs as well as my big comfy office chair because I do a lot of editing at this table and it's just not the best for my back, my arms, my shoulders, the whole kit and caboodle. This stool that I sit on does not slide very well on the floor, so I have to move it out of the way in order to get around it to get into my cupboard that's behind me. And this cupboard door just doesn't open properly. So not the most ideal situation, really. I'm having a problem getting into this cupboard and this cupboard. Not that I use them very often, but I still want to be able to use them. This cart that's here, I don't ever use it. I love all the storage behind it and I like the paper storage, but really it's just junk. I use this as a table more than I use it as a facility to house all of my paper. So when Mark and I were designing this whole cabinetry system, we made these drawers specifically to fit my paper, my 8.5 by 11 cardstock, as well as my 12 by 12 decorative paper as well. So you know what? I don't need this big tower thing to house just junk, essentially. I want to go through what's in there. I already see something that I am going to use for a project. Okay, so I think I just want to leave this for now. I want to take a peek. I have a lot of Cricut mats that have seen better days. Like, look at these babies. You know they've been used a lot when. Look how scratched up that is. Anyways, I'm going to go through some of this stuff and maybe I can junk some of it because it doesn't owe me anything and it needs to be cleared out.
Okay, so now that Mark has brought down my desk and my chair, I want to organize this better. It's been a dumping ground, like I told you. I just want to take everything and put it in its rightful home and close up the cupboard, give it a little clean, and feel better about my life and get my creative juices flowing again. Because I feel like they kind of get wrapped up in all this stuff that I have to look at or push out of the way, and I can't really do what I want to do.
Cute. See, it pays to clean up. It's a cute basket. I'm gonna be here all day. Oh, the die cuts. Well, how cute is that? Can guess that I thrifted it. Yes, I sure did. I'm gonna guess it was $1.99. That's usually how much these are. Check out these baskets. This one you might have saw in a previous video. We found it up at the rental house we were fixing up. This was $1.50. Yes, please. What is that? Adorable. But how cute is that? It's kind of like new looking. So what I might do is put some white wax over top of it or something, just kind of dull down that shine. Or even just a matte spray. Anyways, that and this. And this, like, I don't even know. It looks like a planter. I think this was like $1.50 again. It was so cheap that I couldn't pass it up. You guys, baskets at thrift stores, that is the place to find them. I don't know what I want to use it for, but I thought maybe in like upcoming project, I could put like hand towels or something in there. Face cloths rolled up for extras and like hang it in like a corner of like a little nook somewhere. All right, I am getting there. This has actually been really, I've got a lot accomplished today and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm exhausted. But sometimes you just get going and you can't stop. Do you guys ever get like really excited that things are like all coming together? This feels good. This feels so good. Oh, little side note too. Check it out how cute these are. Oh, look. How cute. How can you pass that up? They were 99 cents for 2 pieces. Look. The cutest. I just haven't found a use for them yet. So I'm gonna put them in my little squirrel hole down there. I'm gonna go bury my nut. I'm gonna go bury my Tims. I'll be right back. I always have to have me a good plant that I can look at too once in a while. I don't know, it just makes me feel happy. I'm just gonna get this guy a little clean. All right, so I am done. Mark is up from downstairs. Mark.
Hello. Recycle man, and I stepped in giant puddle.
Oh no. So I'm just putting the chair back and I am done for the day. It doesn't look like I did much. I still have a bunch of paperwork to look after and check out what I'm doing there, put a few bins away. I'm gonna go plug in the vacuum because I will be very annoyed if I don't do that and it's fully juiced up for tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two.
Well, good morning. Today is one of those self-care days, and I think I might pay for this mask because it is a little tingly. I'm not sure in a good way either. Let me go take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I am going to get this finished. I'm pretty excited about it. So day 2. That face mask felt good for like a hot minute and then that was it. It was so like tingly and weird. You guys, my skin these days, my lips, I cannot keep up. I just can't keep up. I know the weather's not helping. Yeah, we'll see. It's good. I'm gonna do some research on this. Not that it's going to be right, but maybe it's gonna help me until I can get in to see my dermatologist. This getting old is crappy. Enough of talking. I'm gonna get a little bit more coffee, put my earbuds in and just go to town and clean the rest of this up. I'm feeling pretty good about it though, you guys. Like, look how nice this is. I'm just gonna show you. Look at that. Just ignore this bottle, but don't ignore it because like, how cute is that? Look, it was $2.99. I paid up for it a little bit, but oh, you know what? It might have been 50% off the yellow ticket that day because I don't feel like I'd spend $2.99 on a bottle. But I must have really liked it. So even if I did, $2.99 is a fucking nice little win. But I want to wash it out really well and put mouthwash in it, maybe in a bathroom. Kind of looks like a bathroom bottle, I think. That was one of my thrift finds, but I'm going to put it back underneath down there. It looks very clean and I've already washed it. but it looked clean before I washed it, so that's why I'm okay with using it. So I'm just gonna put that underneath in my little stash. Anyways, okay, let's continue. I ramble too much. Oh, and I also want to tidy this area up here. It's not too bad. It's all functioning, but I want to dust my Cricut off. I've got a few things on the go here. I want to style this a little cuter. I wonder how cute this is too. I don't know if I've showed you that on another. Look at that. Is that not the cutest? It actually matches quite cutely right here, so I'm just gonna hang it there for now. Could be part of the fun decor over there. I am in the kitchen a lot, so I need stuff pretty. It makes me happy. So that's why I change things up very often. Too often, but whatever, it's my stuff. That's what I like. Okay, back to business. Let's do this. Well, everybody, I want to say thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully Mark will be in the next video. I'm not too sure what's going on for this weekend coming, so maybe we'll see him then. But I do want to say we have lots of projects coming up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it. We do a lot of fun things here, and I don't want you to miss any of the upcoming projects that we're working on and have planned for this 2023 year. So with that being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It gave me a lot of motivation and accountability knowing that I was filming this entire thing, that I had to get it done. But it felt good. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.